Setting the away temperature. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set the thermostat to maintain a lower temperature for when you are away for an extended period of time. This setting is useful for when you go on vacation or for warmer months. When set to away mode, the thermostat still displays the clock and can also display the different temperature readings such as floor temperature and ambient temperature. To set the away temperature, first access the programming menu by holding down the Select button until the programming menu appears on the screen. Press the up or down buttons until away is flashing. Press the Select button to confirm the selection. You will notice that the temperature is flashing. Press the up or down buttons until the desired temperature is displayed. Once the desired temperature is displayed, press the Select button. To exit to the main screen, press and hold the Select button.